is the DeWalt DCE530N, which is a 18 volt heat gun. This will produce 290 degrees C on the low setting or 530 degrees C on the high setting. However, that's still not enough to do any serious damage because the heat output is nowhere near what you would get from a mains powered heat gun. On the top there we've got the selector switch. H is for high, L is for low. So it's 290 degrees C in low, 530 degrees C in H. It uses the DeWalt XR batteries, and I've actually timed this, and I used a 2 amp hour battery and it actually run for 6 minutes, which equates to approximately 3 minutes per amp hour. It also has a small LED at the front there, which is good if you are working in dark conditions. Included with the heat gun, you get a fishtail nozzle and a cone nozzle. The nozzles simply push on the end like so. The trigger switch takes a bit of getting used to. You actually need to flick up that part there at the front before you can squeeze the trigger. You can then lock that in by pressing the button with your thumb. The beauty of that is that you can actually put it down and you can actually use it hands-free. I have tried soldering a solder ring fitting with this on some 15mm copper pipe, and it just didn't work at all. It got the pipe hot, but it was nowhere near hot enough to melt the solder. You can use this to bend acrylic sheet, but it is very slow and you can only do thin pieces and small pieces. There's no way you can generate enough heat to bend a larger piece. Well, we did get there eventually. It does take rather a long time to do anything. And to be honest, I have had more powerful hair dryers. One thing this should be good for is heat shrink sleeving. So I'm just going to slide that onto there and we're just going to give this a try. So it works absolutely fine for heat shrink sleeving. You can also use this for stripping paint. If you do use it for stripping paint, you do have to be very careful. You should never strip any paint that contains lead. I actually paid almost £100 for this delivered. That is very expensive when you think that you can get maybe 2 or 3 heat guns that are mains voltage, which will do a much better job. When I was buying this, it did say that it could be used for heating up nuts and bolts. However, it doesn't generate anywhere near the heat required to do that. You could get the bolt warm or the nut warm, but it's not going to do a great deal, and I really do not think it would help. So that's the DeWalt DCE530. For some jobs this will be absolutely ideal. I would imagine that it would be good for removing vinyl stickers from vehicles, etc. It's okay for heat shrink sleeving. It's a bit slow to be used for bending acrylic sheet and will only do very thin pieces, and it's no good for soldering copper pipes. The only other thing I've not tried doing with this is removing paint. I would imagine that it would do it, but it would be very slow. You'll be much better off with a mains powered version. I hope you found this video useful. If you have and you've not done so already, please subscribe to the channel.